How to set up ChatGPT. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So, if you want to set up ChatGPT, what you can simply do is, first of all, launch the ChatGPT application on your device. Now over here, you can do two things. So for the first one is, you can continue without logging in. If you do that, you can simply ask ChatGPT any questions and it can answer you. However, if you want to create an account, what you're going to do is tap on login, which is in the top right corner of your screen. Now you can either continue with your Google account or go to login another way and enter your email, then tap on continue and your password, or you can also continue with Google or your phone. So after you choose any one of them, go to the Google account you want to sign up with. After you do that, as you can see over here, the account is already set up. After you do that, you have successfully created your ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Hope the video was helpful to you and see you in the next one.